Hi, good evening, everyone. Wonder sometime when you're outside, maybe you're traveling and you don't have stove with you, you cannot cook, but you want to eat something hot. You can try this. If you have any mug, small mug, big mug, no problem. Using the mug, you need the tom yum or any instant noodles. You don't need to cook. A lot of people thought that normal instant noodle like this one, you need to cook under the fire for about at least 5 minutes to 6 minutes, but actually it's not. If you have this one, you can easily cook it with just a very simple steps. Let me show you. Okay, hold on, yeah. Okay, so now just open up your tom yum, throw it inside. Oh, this one is big enough, and then put in some veggie. If you have it, if you don't have it, ignore it. And then the powder, put it in all. Okay. Now, let's go to get some hot water. Okay. Then let's go many water. Just slightly cover the noodles with it. Yep, done. Yeah. Okay, now just cook it and wait for how long? I guess about 5 minutes will do. I'll come back after this. Go on, wait for the result, don't go away. So let's wait for a few more minutes. While waiting, I'll teach you how to make Neslo. What is Neslo? If you have 3-in-1 Nescafe, this is Nescafe, 3-in-1, the instant one. Okay. So what is Neslo? Neslo actually is Nescafe plus what? Milo. Yes. You just put 1, 2. That's it. This is Neslo. So what you need to do is same thing. Get some hot water. And you have a very nice Neslo. Homemade. Yeah, when you're alone, you can do all sorts of crazy things. You can smell the Nescafe, the aroma of the Nescafe, and also Milo as well. If you want to make Neslo Dinosaur, very simple. What is Neslo Dinosaur? Tell me. What is Neslo Dinosaur? Neslo Dinosaur just basically put more Milo. Yes. This is Neslo Dinosaur. Let's wait for a while more, then we can start our meal. Wait for a while, yeah? Okay, let's have a sip of our Neslo, Nescafe plus Milo. Let's see how it tastes. Whoa, the taste is really good. I wish you are here. So now let's see how's our noodles like. Sorry. So, oh, it's perfectly cooked. If you want it softer, then just cook it a bit longer. You can see that. So you don't need to have stove, you don't need to have fire, and yet you can still eat noodles. Okay, let me try first, yeah. One. The Maggi Tom Yum is quite nice. Yeah, it's really quite nice, and it's cheap as well. And in Malaysia ringgit, about 5 ringgit for 5 pack. Try one more. Too good. Really good. Next time you can try out. Especially in night time, in cold weather, you try it. You just need a cup, hot water, instant noodles, any flavor, and Nescafe 3-in-1 plus a bit of Milo. Nestle, Maggi in cup. Happy trying!